All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123. Here we are trading on Thursday, July 16th, and we got our bot here telling us about the economic news of the morning. Posts in the Discord room at 8:25, just before the news comes out. And let's take a look at some of the live trades from our Discord room, all time stamped on today, July 16th, 2026. Trading the AlgoBot today. And here's Michael Moog's trade, and he's trading 4 contracts. Or I get a kick out of these people on YouTube that say 4 cons. He's trading 4 cons. All these young kids, 4 cons, 4 cons. So basically what happened here, he's trading four cons, and the bot went long here, went up, hit his profit targets. He's got it dialed in, and then had a pullback and did the same thing. And on 4 contracts, he's up 21.75. So a great trade there, and he has more. Now, full details on our strategies can be found at our website at trading123.net. And as I always say, the strategies come with all the manuals, videos, and the setup features of how to have trades just like we're posting here. And don't forget, trading does involve risk. It may not be suitable for everyone, and nothing here in this video is financial advice. Trade your own plan and manage your own risk like all our members do. And let's take a look at his next trade here. He hits another one, pretty much same setup, up, pull back, and then long again, pull back 2100. And the pattern just repeats. Another trade here for 1490. So he's crushing it today, and then has another trade here for $2,900 after 8:30 in the morning here. He's trading pre-market. Same patterns repeat, like I always say. So he's crushing it there. And then here's one of my trades on the NQ. And I take my profits just before 10 o'clock here. Pretty much a short. Profit targets on 2 contracts, another short. And I get 480. My goal was 1,000. And I get out before the 10 o'clock news hits. Then I catch a nice down leg here. And 574 profit. I guess my trail stop ended up getting hit here, so I missed out on this big dive. So, trades like that, you have to make an adjustments to your trading. So you got stopped out, the market may be a little wild, so you got to adjust your stop, and then you catch the next run down, and you catch the whole thing instead of, I caught half of it. So that's stuff that you're just like a quarterback, in the Super Bowl when you're trading. You got to make adjustments as the market changes each day. So, your normal stop may not work when the VIX is up. You got to up your stop 10 ticks or more. And your profit targets, in a slower market, got to be smaller compared to a wider market. You could have profit targets. We got a trader that uses 40 and 60 as profit targets. I like 20 and 40 myself. So, it all depends on your trading style, and like I said, you manage your own trades. And then, if it works, you keep repeating it, like this trade here. Same pattern, same setup. The price is below our new AI trend level, so that's telling me we're heading lower, and that's exactly what happens here. Sells off, hits my first profit target, and then my stop loss gets hit. So I caught 90% of that move. And then the trend changes. It goes long, hits my profit targets perfectly. I get out at the top, and it goes right into that AI trend line I've been telling you about. That works great. Pulls back, gets in another trade, and stopped out, and I get 694. So that's a great example of how the AlgoBot works to precision. And then here's Mike NQ. He's trading How many contracts he's trading? He's just trading 2 contracts. He had a $1,400 goal and it hit it. And pretty much the same thing. He's got his dialed in here. And profit target, first one, second one. And then a long profit target, second one. And then a short. And then back up. And look, he gets out right there pretty much near the top. And I think he's using like 56. I don't know what he's using here. 56. I think he's using like 30 and 40 as profit targets, something like that. I'll have to ask him. And then Midas Touch here, he's been crushing it also here. Here's his trade, and he uses the wider profit targets of like 40 and 60 and a runner. And as you see here, the bot gets long right here on 3 contracts. There's his 40 tick one win, 60 tick. And then his runner goes all the way up. Or is he using a runner today? No, he's just trading 2 contracts. Yesterday he was using a runner. So 40, 60, and if he had a runner, that would have been a goddamn grand slam. And then he gets short, and the pattern repeats. And he's got his 40 and 60 again, and that's why, he's up $2,900. And that's on 2 contracts. So that is another Grand Slam trade by one of our members. And then here's one of my trades. And I'm still trading 2 contracts, $1,000 goal. And the patterns repeat. Up move, up into our auto trend line. And then a short that got stopped out. So that one was a loser there. And no worries, because when the trend changes, we'll get back in. And that's exactly what happened. So you pretty much call this a 3-wave move. You have a down, an up, a down, and then you get your thrust. That's like, a thrust to the upside. Like when you're in an airplane and it's taken off of the runway and it's got 35,000 pounds of torque and goes 0 to 400 or whatever they do in 60 seconds. So this was a thrust, and these are the greatest trades right here. You have a down move, up move, then a pullback that makes a lower high, and then boom, thrust to the upside, and that's why I hit my target. And the bot does this automatically for you. It gets long. Yeah, I got simple profit targets, but they work. I hit my goal, and that's all that matters. You come back and repeat, and do the same pattern. That's why the bot works. But in trading, it does involve risk, and there's no guarantees. I always laugh when somebody sends me an email. Can you guarantee me the bot won't lose any trades? No, I just showed you a losing trade right there. It's going to have losers, and you just accept them, bounce back, and get into the next trade. So here's what I do when I have a trade that gets stopped out, say $400 loss, 500 at the max. I take a break for 15-20 minutes and I wait till after the hour or half hour. So say I got stopped out at 10:45. Well, I'm going to take a break for 20 minutes and look for trades after 11. And that's a simple way to do it. Wait for a new trade after the hour or half hour. So here's Mike NQ again, and one more and he's done. $1,200 profit, and he's got his profit targets here. Boom, first one, second one, and then this one gets long, and immediately he hits the button and gets stopped out because actually this is a weak move. This is a weak pullback because it's going into resistance at this red line here, which I think is the that red line is the I think the 9 o'clock open, that line there. All these lines represent something. And then it gets short. So he cut his risk really short here, and down it goes. Profit targets, he's got dialed in. He gets out right at the low. and then another long, boom, boom. You may have got a little nervous because he hit the exit button, but $1,200 profit. It works. That's how the bot works. And there you can see the whole setup. And these patterns, like I said, repeat. You got your down move, a little bounce that fails into resistance, a flush lower, and then your thrust to the upside. Showed you 2 trades in a row, and that's how it works every day in the market. And you should be able to see that in your trading. And as I always say, Thursday is the best day of the week to trade. And I've been trading for well over 24 years. And often I ask traders, what's the best, this is how I test their knowledge. What's the best day of the week to trade? And most of them say, well, every day is the best day. How long have you been trading? Oh, 10 years. What's the worst day to trade? I don't know. What's the slowest day to trade? Mondays and Fridays. And let's take a look at Mike W. here. He's crushing it here on 3 contracts. And same patterns here. Long, move down, long up, hits his profit target. He gets out at the top. Short, profit target, slow, range market. But in a couple trades, he's up $1,500. And that's the way the bot works. And that's the end for today's trades. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Went a little long, covered a lot. Hope you learned a lot, because that's what our Discord room's all about. Traders exchanging ideas. Like the other day, we had some traders exchange ideas, and the next thing you know, their trades are improved by 40% or 50%. So be sure to visit our website and check out the AlgoBot, and we'll catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.